What's up everybody, this is Brandon. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple tips on how to get your HyperX Cloud Alphas working properly. First, when I got these, I scoured the internet looking for a couple answers because my sound wouldn't work and my mic wouldn't work. It'd be a very low, faint sound. So first thing is you got your cable that you plug in to this port here, and you see this gray part. You want to push this right on in, and normally you would go until it brings up solid, and it kind of do give back some force there, but in this case you want to push this right on in until the gray is not showing at all. That was my first mistake. That caused it to not have a good connection, but you want to push it right on in. Same with the microphone. You want to put it in the slot here, and you want it to push right on in until it clicks and it's flush with the line of the headphones, and then you got it all good and connected, ready to go. So next tip, I'm going to be just showing you guys how to properly use them on a computer or an Xbox or whatever. First off, you have to, when you plug them in, you should restart your computer, like fully restart it, and come back. And as you can see, if you open your volume mixer, they won't show up as a device on its own, most like other headphones. Even if you use the dual jacks with the mic and the headset, then it'll default to your default speakers and your default microphone. So it'll just be like default microphone in Realtek High Def or whatever device you got for your sound. So that's one thing. And same with your Xbox or whatever you're going to use it on. I suggest a fully hard reset, and then it should work properly. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, and do all that fun stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video.